All. Welcome back to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. In today's video, we are going to discuss the continuation topic of the last week, that is how you can create a context-aware chatbot using LangChain. So in our last week, we have seen a simple application of how you can use different memory functions as well as how you can use LangChain library for creating a context-aware chatbot. So today I will be showing a simple application how you can prompt a history of messages or conversations using LangChain. Okay, so let us dive deep into the video. Before that, I would like to thank to all my subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also requesting to the new watchers to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel AI Stories by Anjali. Let us dive deep into the video. So here we have seen a library that we need to import. So the method that we need to import from the required library. So this is the one which we need to use. So from langchain underscore OpenAI import chat OpenAI. So this is one of the method that you will be using for passing your history of conversations. And the next one is from langchain.memory import conversation buffer memory. So in the langchain memory, this is built-in library, you have different methods, and with the help of those methods you can create different types of applications. Okay, so based on your application requirements, you can use these methods for feeding the memory to the bot. Okay, so here we are using conversation buffer memory. Okay, so this will be taking a set of conversations, and it will have some limit into that, and you can directly feed to your bot. Okay, and after that, you are importing from langchain.prompts, import chat prompt template, message placeholder, system message prompt template, human message prompt template. So all these four are a set of templates that are used as a parameters for passing your history of conversations. Let us see what each will do. Okay, so first you have to call the API. So that's why you are using this chat OpenAI and initializing that, and then taking your prompt with set of parameters that which we specified above. So first, chat prompt template. So this is the main thing that you have to pass your messages with respect to system prompt template, as well as message placeholder and human message prompt template. So system message prompt template is setting up the context for the bot, so how it should respond, what exactly, that making aware of what it is actually. Okay, what is its role. So here we are setting that it's a nice chatbot and it should having a conversation with a human, and it should answer only in the Croatian language. Okay, so this is the context that we are setting up for the bot. And the next one is message placeholder. So here we are giving a variable name that need to be aligned with our memory. That means a chat buffer conversation memory, and we are giving as chat underscore history. Okay, and then you're passing a human message prompt template, and this is the one which you are exactly need to be passing to, like exactly you need to ask the bot. Okay, so you're asking your question. So this is the setting up the context. Okay, and then once you are done with that, you have to make sure you have to feed the memory and make sure what exactly to pass to your memory parameters. So for that, you're taking a variable called memory, and of course you can take anything here. I just took the relevant memory. Okay, don't confuse that this is something which is predefined. Okay, this is a variable, but the conversation buffer memory is the method that need to be same. And there are multiple methods as I discussed, and I will tell one video, like I will share that in one of the video, and I will explain. Okay, so chat buffer conversation memory. So for that, conversation buffer memory is a method, and you're passing your memory key, which is the chat history which you passed for message placeholder, because you have to make sure it should be whatever the chart that we are asking, like whatever the feed the questions, it should have into its memory, so that whenever we ask the next question based on the previous conversation, it will aware of that context, and then it will view the answer. Okay, for that you are passing this, and then you are returning messages. Returning message equal to means it will return the messages. Okay, and then conversation is equal to, and you're passing everything, like you're calling everything into your chain, that is LLM chain is a method, and you're passing your LLM because that is the one which you initialize using your API key, and the prompt which you passed all your templates, and verbose equal to true and memory equal to memory. So this is the memory thing. Okay, so and then you need to invoke. So for the invoking, you need to pass your question, because here you need to pass question, right? So conversation dot invoke is a method that you need to use, and question, so it's a dictionary form, that is key value pairs. So the question is high. So if you see here, entering the new LLM chain and prompt after formatting, so the system is telling you're a nice chatbot having a conversation with a human, and you have to answer only in Croton language. And the human is telling hi, and then this is the entire chain, and the chain got finished. So if you see the response of that thing, that is the conversation invoke method using LLM, so you are getting this entire conversation and you're getting the response. So question is hi, chat history is human message of content equal to hi, which we passed as a template, and the AI message will be content equal to bog kako, and this is the one which is Croton language. Okay, so because we asked it, you have to respond only in the Croton language. So this is the response in the Croton language. So this is the simple application that that uses LangChain, and it is creating a context aware bot. Okay, so I hope you understand this video. So with the help of LangChain, you can create a lot of wide variety of applications using different methods, and that is present in LangChain. So all these things are using this library and getting know its methods and functions, and making making understand about those particular method, what exactly it is doing, and based on your requirements, based on your application, you can simply take that method and you can plug into your application and you can use it. So this is how it works. Okay, and I also wants to, since this is a small topic of the previous continuation video, I don't want to have a new topic in the same video. So now we completely done understanding what is LangChain, what are its basics, what are its uses, what are its applications, and a simple application of using LangChain for creating a context aware bot. Okay, so all these things are done. So also wants to tell some question and answers that I'm getting from the people into my LinkedIn, as well as some of the people have commented. So I will just answer those questions. So the first question that I usually get from the couple of people from past few days is how you like, can you please share the entire roadmap for generative AI. So first of all, I have told you what is generative AI, what are the skills that you have to prepare, and what is the roles and responsibilities and salary ranges that is already present in our role of the week series. And coming to the roadmap, so roadmap means first thing is, for everything the basic should be any programming language, because without that you can't do anything. So as part of AI, or as our part of data side, any data job, the first thing is you have to know the Python programming language, because it is a fundamental language that you have to understand, and you have to learn, and you have to do coding in any of your data science, machine learning, and AI job, as well as data engineer also use Python programming language. So even data analyst also uses mostly they will use tools, but you have to know about Python. So this is one thing that you have to keep in your mind. And coming to the roadmap, so roadmap itself tells what exactly that you have to do from starting to ending. But in getting understand about generative AI, first learn Python programming language, get some understanding of machine learning, what is AI, what is data science, etc., and then come to the generative AI basics. We have a lot of videos in our series which have started in generative and LLM series, and you can go and pick that particular video and you can start doing that. And one more thing that I want to share is, for anything in these days, the cloud is very important. The cloud experience is very important, and knowing about cloud is very important. So make sure to take any cloud platform and try to understand, learn that, and do any certifications as prescribed by the documentation, official documentation, and learn that with respect to your roadmap. So that is one thing that you have to keep it in mind. And of course, I will make a complete video about that roadmap thing, but this is the thing that you can get started with. And the second thing is, if I start your series, or if I learn your series, can I learn generative AI, and can I get generative and LLM jobs? So I feel so funny if I like after seeing this question. First thing is, there is no such thing like if you follow this video you will get job, if you follow that video it is job. It is all up to you, because if you learn everything of your like say for example, so if you're doing everything, then even if you're not getting, that means whatever you're learning you're not grasping. It's not like you have to know everything complete. Nobody knows everything, because it's all about what exactly that you are doing for that particular thing. Whenever an opportunity comes, you have to make sure you have to use that opportunity. So always make sure whatever you're doing, whatever you're learning, how you're relating that to a particular thing in the society, in the real world. So then you can come up with other things. I hope you got it. So don't think that if you do all those videos you will get the job. It's not like that. It's all like how you're doing the things. Are you spending the valid amount of time, and are you spending the time, whatever you're investing into that, is that worth for you or not? So suppose if you learn 1 hour with concentration, and what exactly that you learn, did you understand that completely? Are you relating that to the real world problem? Are you understanding that? Could you able to elaborate that? So that is more important. And the company doesn't need the people who knows everything. The company needs the people who can do their job completely, their job done, their job successful. So that is the main thing that you have to learn. Okay, so don't believe that if you do this boot camp you will get this thing like that. It's like, it's you who have to change, it's you who have to learn. If you believe in yourself, if you believe in your hard work, if you believe in your smart work, everything can be done. So don't make yourself too burden. So just go with the flow. Make sure you learn the concepts, relate to that, and practice also makes you more confident. Okay. And one other question that I commonly receive, like I'm receiving from the past few days, is um, can you please explain, like can you please share some of the resources, and also please explain how you're learning all these things? So this is a question that commonly I am receiving from other people, like some of from my friends too, and also like from the people to the LinkedIn and people in the comments. So first thing, everybody have their own set of things to learn and their unique way of learning, right? So some people will learn by spending some of hours. Some people will learn through projects, some people will learn through challenges, some people will learn through study, some people will learn through courses. Everybody has their own unique design. Okay. And of course, if we share, definitely that might be useful for some people, I agree with that. But one more thing is, I give, like, whatever one follows, that might not work for others. It's all about situations. But the overall thing is, make sure what you're doing, what you want to do you have a clear plan or not, and is that are relevant for the role that you want to get? So these things you need to keep into mind. And coming to the resources, there will be some common resources that everybody can understand, like that. And also based on the individual, it varies. Some people might like one video, some people might like other video, like that. So what I could say is, just follow the people whom you feel that okay, you are understanding. So make sure you follow those videos, and follow the resources that you are seeing around you, like internet. There are multiple things in the internet, through LinkedIn pages, groups, and through your study from your professors, and practicing your own projects. So all these things will make you